WhatsApp is getting video messages and updated design soon. Video messages will appear as a large circle in your chat and you will need to tap on them to enlarge them and listen to the audio. However, both sides will need to have their WhatsApp updated to the latest version to use this feature. Since video messages are recorded in real time, you can be assured that they are authentic and not pre-recorded videos or forwarded messages. Material Design 3, WhatsApp is also redesigning several parts of the app in the same beta update. The new design is called Material Design 3 and it will start with an updated design for some buttons in the settings as well as the main menu. The design resembles Google's Material You UI that features on Android 12/13 phones as well as some of its productivity apps. Have a look at the image below. WhatsApp's video messages and Material Design 3 are still in development, so it is unclear when these updates will launch widely. But since they are in beta already, it should not be long before everyone can get their hands on it. The feature was spotted in WhatsApp's beta version 2.23.8.19 for Android and 2.3.6.0.73 for iOS, meaning it is coming to both platforms soon. As the name says, this feature will let you record a quick video for up to 60 seconds and send it as a message. Just like Telegram, you can switch between audio and video messages by tapping the microphone icon at the bottom right of your screen in a chat. You can hold the button to record, or tap it to switch between audio and video. The same goes for WA. Please hit like button and share this video. Also subscribe my channel for new updates. Thanks, bye bye.